up to Pancake Day, which is the 10th of this month. The 14th is Valentine Day. So this is an idea where you can make for Valentine morning some pancake for breakfast. Hopefully you like the recipe. Subscribe to the channel, leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching my cooking show. Hopefully we have best, better recipe for come out. And visit the blog website chefricardo.co.uk. Get my book on Amazon. Price won't change. Thank you so much. See you next time. Bye bye. Nice and lovely. So as I say, I'm gonna make you some nice, lovely pancake, which you can use that for Valentine morning breakfast. Basically, what happened is like, you know what I mean? I was in the shop and I saw this red velvet cake mix, and there was like having a sale, so I brought it. But when I brought it, I didn't use it. I have it probably about a month now in my cupboard. Sit down, decide to do something with it, and I decide today. See, it's a red velvet cake mix, buttercream. Basically, this is the pack. I never used nothing like this in my own empire. It's the first time I'm gonna do something like this before. I say I need to do something with it, and I said to myself, one thing I could do with it is this: make some pancake from it. Because I'm not gonna make a cake from this, because I can make cake already. Alright? And I know to make pancake cake already. So you guys see the mixture where I normally make up all the time, but I need to do something with it. So I have a pack right here, which is let's see, I don't even, we'll see how much gram this inside of it. I need to know how much. It's a cook for 10 minutes, 28 minutes. Anyway, first of all, what we're gonna do, we're gonna make some pancake from this red velvet cake. Red velvet cake makes pancake. That's the name for Valentine breakfast morning. I got 3 eggs right here. That's 3 eggs, guys. I want you guys to see exactly what's going on right here. That's 3 eggs. All right. Simple. We're gonna whisk it. Lovely. Nice. That's the 3 eggs. Alright? Let's chip that right there. Already done 3 eggs. I got some olive oil, some vegetable oil, which I'm gonna put in it. Roughly 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Look at this mixture. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Next thing, milk. Quarter cups of milk, all the milk. Blend. Lovely. Tablespoon of vanilla. We're gonna get the mixture now. And I know you guys will love this recipe because it's a recipe which can do a lot at home. The only reason why, as I said, I brought it and I decided to do something with it. But now I'm gonna do something to show you. That's 1 cup of the red velvet mix. I'm gonna put a little bit more just to make it up to a cup. Roughly a cup and a quarter of the red velvet mix. Straight inside of it. We're gonna put some grounded nutmeg egg, just a little pinch. That's some mixed spice, pinch of mixed spice. And also a pinch of cinnamon. Wow, That's alright. It's a little pinch come out, that's fine. Basically, we're gonna give it a next whisk like this. Nice and lovely, look at that. Beautiful. That's the mixture we're talking about. Perfect. Alright? Remember, this is a new recipe for you guys. So if you never tried this one before, you can give it a go. So that's the mixture right there, and that's all it's red. Looking lovely and nice. So this is like Valentine morning breakfast. Red, velvet, red. So as you can see, it's just really something totally different. And I need to do something with the cake mixture. I did just really make some pancake, alright? Enjoy the recipe. Nice, lovely. So as you can see, that's a front pan I have right here on the stove. A flat front pan, medium size heat. Lovely and nice. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna pop some vegetable oil inside of the front pan like this. Use a brush and simply just brush it around like this, wet up the inside of the front pan. A little bit too much, but that's fine. Roughly about 2 to 3 seconds now since I have it on, so it's probably a little bit warm and hot. So basically we're gonna pour in some of the pancake mixture inside of it like this. Nice and lovely. Looking really nice and lovely, guys, as you can see. That is fantastic. So let's see what's going on right here. Let's give it another 2 seconds and it will be ready. Alright? Just spin it over and that's the result we get. Nice lovely color. As you can see, looking fantastic. Nice and lovely. Look at that. Beautiful. Pancake. Really nice. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna simply use my brush and just brush the grease around inside of it. And then simple pouring it in like this. Nice size one. Lovely and nice, guys. nice and lovely. So this is the last one we're gonna make, guys. As you can see how we make our pancake at home in this kind of way sometimes. Well, but this kind is a American style, and to be honest, really nice, lovely and nice. Just look at that. That is just fantastic, guys. Beautiful. So enjoy the recipe. You can make this for Valentine morning. Red velvet pancake. As you can see, really lovely and nice. Enjoy the recipe, and I'm gonna show you how they look over here. Nice and lovely. So this is the way the pancake them look, in lovely and nice. So you can have this for your breakfast Valentine morning, but this is a secret behind the scene. Look at this. Get the big one, just like this. This is the big pancake which you want to make first. So you're gonna make something for your missus in the morning for breakfast. What you need to do is just simple. Get some fresh cream, and simple. Alright. And next thing, get a little bit of, you can use as you can see, a little bit of chocolate powder and sprinkle on top of it, just like that. Really nice, and it come out really well, really good, lovely and nice. And second thing we can also do is I'll show you the next thing. Also, what you can do is put a piece of a drum right on top of it like that. So guys, this is just an idea and a tips or things which you can do also for Valentine. As you can see, that looking lovely, fantastic, really nice, and hopefully you guys will love that. So as you can see, ideas and tips what you can do also for Valentine. Enjoy the recipe, subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. And thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Cooking Show. We've got a lot more recipe like this coming. See you next time. Bye bye.